We're diving into the world of sensory bottles for an engaging classroom experience. Sensory bottles captivate students' attention, promoting focus and relaxation. They're perfect for calming, transitions, and exploring sensory elements. Gather clear plastic bottles, water, clear glue, glitter, small objects, and food coloring. Start with empty bottles. Make sure they're clean and dry. Fill each bottle halfway with water. Drop in a pinch of glitter for visual appeal. Introduce small items like beads, buttons, or mini figurines for added sensory exploration. Add clear glue to slow down the movement of objects, increasing sensory engagement. Securely close the bottles and reinforce with strong tape. Encourage students to shake, tilt, and observe their sensory bottles. Discuss emotions, colors, and patterns. Personalize bottles based on students' preferences. Use different colors and shapes. Watch your students engage, learn, and have fun.